Hi everybody, my name's Jim Thomson. I'm coming to you from Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada, and I'm just here to introduce myself as one of the new Unity Education Ambassadors. So for me personally, what I became involved in the most with Unity was using it as a tool to help students tell their stories, to become content developers themselves. And when I started teaching 20 years ago, I started out with Corel Draw, Flash, and a video editor. And we told stories in using games and animations and film. And basically, Unity has just become one of those technologies that we've used to be storytellers. So, as our program grew, it eventually became a 4-year vocational program, and we had students coming in from the music band area, from photography and video, from art, from computer science, from wherever. Students who were interested in learning how the technology worked, and we showed them how that they could work as a team to develop fabulous content. Um, we made animations, films, games, 3D graphics, 2D graphics. We learned programming, and I learned along with them in a lot of ways. So, if you're looking for a computer science genius, I'm probably not your guy, although I've learned a lot about the technology and programming involved in Unity. Um, I'm Like I've said, I don't have a computer science background. I built it myself. Um, but I am really passionate about the storytelling part of it and the art part of it. So, if you're looking for ideas on how to grow a program outside of computer science, I'm your guy. You can get in touch with me through the Facebook group, through Discord. Um, there's lots of ways of getting a hold of us, and Carmen, I'm sure, will be letting you know all about it. So I'll just say happy to be here, happy to help. Bye for now.